Here we've got CUBOT X30, and let me show you how to change navigation bar to gesture navigation. So as you can see, currently we do have button navigation bar. Here you've got recent item buttons, home button, and back button is the last one. And whenever you would like to change it to gesture navigation, just open the settings, then in search area enter navigation and click on system navigation. And here you can smoothly switch to gesture navigation by tapping on the switcher. And that's it. From now on it is active. If you will click on the settings icon, you will be able to change the sensitivity right here just by tapping on the switcher. Tap on OK to apply the preferred mode, and now all you need to know about gesture navigation bar is that you can slide from right to left or from left to right to go back. So let me just go back from this keypad, just like that, so it's works both ways. If you want to go back to your home screen, you just have to quickly slide up. And if you want to check all recent apps, just hold it up. And here you've got everything. So this is it. That will be all. This is how you can smoothly and easily activate gesture navigation, how you can use it. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.